My advice to you is that you need to work on that control issue, and let's keep talking about the issues.
Am I a liar?
Yes, you have lied on this program about the issues.
Are you fat?
Yes. Hi, America.
Tell
Good
me
to see
what
you.
I lied about, and you can get up and show them you're fat.
Right. You won't talk about
what
the
I
issues,
tell
Joe.
what
It's
I
not
lied
my
about.
problem.
Guys. The issue is not lying.
Here you are, Joe.
Do it.
Joe,
Do it.
You
tell
are
them
a
what
child.
I lied about, fat boy.
No, come on, Joe, please. I'm sorry. Let's not do this.
See how big you are.
Please. I'm sorry, Tony.
Keep your hands off of me.
Hey, guys.
Fat boy.
Please. Joe, please. Folks, I'm sorry you had to see that.
Why?
It's not right. Tony.
That's assault. That is assault.
Oh, shit. You all right?
Can't take it.